And even though you with somebody else, just know that I wanted the best for you. Yeah, I should've known. Let's go. I should've known. When I thought I let it go, the memories engulfed my head. I was holding on to us, but you were giving up instead. I was dreaming about it, sinking and drowning in troubled waters. And it seems that I found the reason, the sound of waterfalls. You're making me doubt if I will ever find someone like you. And I'd rather be out my mind than be out of time. Going off the wall, chasing waterfalls.